Hello guys, welcome to another video of this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually set up your Surveoo account on your Android so that you can at least receive notifications on available surveys on your device, on your Android device, each and every time. Now personally I've been having some issues with that, like setting up my account of course, but of course I did kind of figure something out, right? So currently on Surveoo, I do have like a 1836 zig, and though like my target is 7100. So if I receive that much, then I'll be able to withdraw. But now the problem is that I think I did set this thing the wrong way the first time. So I wasn't receiving notifications on my phone. I only received notifications from my PC. So I'm going to show you how you can actually set this thing up and get notifications on your phone. So now the first thing, of course, if you want to do that, just go to those dots there. Then you go to these logos and there's Android and iOS and you click on them. And they'll show you like a couple of instructions that you need to follow in order to kind of set up your Android device. Now, first of all, you have to click on the three dots, the three small dots on your Chrome. Select add to home screen, change the name and press the shortcut demonstration. So this is kind of like a demonstration video and you can actually watch it on YouTube, right? And you can click on save your maybe Android, create a custom something. So this is the title of the video. And after do that, you are likely going to receive some notifications, right? But in order to make sure that you receive notifications on your Android device, you must make sure that you set it up correctly on the Android itself. Now to do that, you go to settings and then you go to notifications. I think this is where you go. And then you go app settings. And then here you'll see the most recent applications that you've opened. So in my case, it will be the WhatsApp business, which is the one that I received currently, and I'll say the Chrome. Then you click on Chrome. Now Chrome will give you a bunch of options right here, like general notifications, then and others as well. Now you go to sites right here, down on the sites, and it says all sites notifications. Then you will see app your Surveoo up here. Then you click on it. Then from there you see most of these will be turned off, so you need to turn them on. Pop on screen, turn it on, then vibrations so that you get at least kind of an alert. Then override if you have selected like do not disturb on, right? It has to override this. So if you set this thing on, right, you'll be ensured that you receive the notifications from Surveoo as soon as a survey is available. So you can actually do this on other survey websites as well, like PaidViewpoint. Something I did the same thing right here. So just setting those things up on their demonstration video is just not enough, but you need to do a little bit extra on your Android so that at least you get those notifications. So guys, thank you for watching this short tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this video for more similar content. And until then, see you on the next one.